Let me show you how you can hide the WhatsApp notifications and the numbers and the details of the message on your Android phone. So let me guide you through it. And if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so when you go to your settings app and find notifications from the list, as such, you'll have the ability to tap on app notifications at the top and manage it on an app by app basis. But scroll through the alphabetical list of apps until you find WhatsApp. As such, it's almost entirely at the bottom for me, so I'm going to click on it, and as you can tell, the notifications are turned on right now. So it all kind of works, right? I still get the notifications delivered, everything is fine. But as you can see right there, I also have the ability to click on the lock screen notifications below. And when I tap on it, it asks me if I want to show the content or hide the content. And that is the whole point behind it. If you don't want the content or preview of the message to be shown on the lock screen, you're going to click on hide content. It's just not going to show who is texting you or what they said. The first few words are going to be hidden, so you actually have to tap it to see what's inside. But you can also decide that it doesn't even show up on the lock screen to begin with, or that perhaps it doesn't even show up as a pop-up, only as a badge, right? Or however you like it. So this is how you can configure the settings. And also, if you need more, you can switch or tap on configure in WhatsApp. It moves you to the WhatsApp app and specifically manage what gets notified, what notifications get delivered, and so on, some deeper settings about it. So that's how you can manage it. I hope that I was able to explain it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to see you later in the future uploads as well.